Welcome guys, I'm Wilder and this is our Primetime Tracer Ultra Light. Let's start off in the front. We have a power tongue jack with some lights. We got dual propane tanks, one battery. We have some nice LEDs on both sides. We added some Furion cameras on both sides and backup. Here's our connections. It does have some of the storage on this side. Slide with a topper. We added the topper. All four tires have tire sensors. Sewer, we added this extension since it was two back. Let's go to this side. Here's the other part of the storage of the camera. So you can see it has a pretty wide storage. Has a light. I did add the Level Pro. It has power stabilizers, which you can see there. Comes with dog latch, nice big awning, leopard solid steps, it has power outlet, cable. It does come with outdoor kitchen or a small outdoor kitchen, fridge. We have here sink, 2-burner stove which connects to the quick connect. We have a electric and gas water heater, backup camera. Let's go inside. I did add the RV lock keyless just in case. Right. So as soon as you come in, we got the TV, soundbar which controls the outside speakers. This is the main control panel, which turns on all lights. Right. So here we have, we have two on each side of our queen bed, TV, some barn doors for privacy, one on each side. kitchen. Microwave, stove, 3-burner stove also. With an oven. Nice fridge. Got lots of storage. We got here some storage. Some of the drawers. So we got storage here. Smaller storage, but it's storage. Some pantry. Double bunk beds with some storage in the bottom. We got the bathroom. Some of these lights are motion censored. Sink. Nice big shower with a light. This comes down, turns into a 2-person bed. So we added some of these guys because they didn't come with USB ports, so we bought a few of them. And it has docked AC. Here's a vent on this side also. And there it is. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.